Hey there builders, today we're diving into essential tips to keep you safe while using hand and power tools. Rule number 1, gear up for safety. Safety goggles protect your eyes, gloves shield your hands, and ear protection guards against noise damage. Missing safety gear isn't worth the risk. Next up, inspect your tools. Frayed wires, loose parts, or dull blades can turn a simple job into a dangerous one. Fix or replace damaged tools immediately. Your workspace matters too. Keep it clean, organized, and free of clutter to prevent trips and mishaps. And remember the two-hand rule. One hand controls the tool, the other stays safe. Lastly, stay alert. Never rush or use tools when you're distracted. A split-second mistake can cause lifelong damage. Common sense is your best safety tool. By gearing up, inspecting tools, and working smart, you're protecting yourself and those around you. Work smart, stay safe. Your safety is always worth the effort.